All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday, February 4th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, in number 13, they wanted us to take a look at 45 and 4/10 plus 13 and 9/10. Remember, number one key is you always line up your decimals. They made it easy here because they were both three-digit numbers. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Put my 3 down, carry my 1. 5, 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring my decimal straight down. So I get 59 and 3/10. And number 14, they want us to find the median. And if you're driving down the road, that yellow thing in the middle of the interstate is the median, and it runs down the middle of the road. The median is your middle number. So first step is to put all of your numbers in order from least to greatest. And then you just tick off, or since we have 5 numbers, I can see that 1, 2, 1, 2, 35 is going to be my median number. It falls right in the middle. All right, number 15, we need to compare 8/9 and 7/8. And these are almost too close to call because they're both only 1 away. We have 8 out of 9 pieces and 7 out of 8 pieces. So I know that my denominator, if I were to find a common denominator and multiply these guys, I know that 9 times 8 is going to give me a denominator of 72, okay? So all I need to do now is to see which one is going to give me the bigger number. So I do 8 times 4 and I get 64 up here, or 8 times 8, excuse me, and I get 64. I do 9 times 7 and I get 63. And like I said, they were almost too close to call, but I can see that 64/72, or 8/9, is greater than 7/8. And then finally in number 16, they ask us if 31 is a prime or a composite number. And this key right here, it ends in 1. That's not always going to be the case, but I know that 30 can be divided by more than it's just itself in 1. And I know that 32 can be divided by more than just itself in 1. But 31 cannot be divided by anything but 31 and 1. And so that's what makes it a prime number. 31 is prime. All right, and then to our word problem for today. So our word problem. On Thursday, the Meat King Market sold 210 pounds of ground beef. On Friday, they sold twice that amount. On Saturday, they only sold 130 pounds. How much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? Okay. So, I almost thought for a second they put some information that we don't need. I was going to say that we don't need Thursday's price or Thursday's amount of meat, but we actually do, because on Friday they sold twice that amount. So that means that we're going to have to do 210 times 2 to figure out how much they sold that day. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So I know that they sold 420 pounds on Friday. Okay, and if they sold 420 pounds on Friday and Saturday is only 130, how much more meat did they sell? We always know when we see how much more that we're going to be subtracting. So we're going to do 420 minus 130 to get our difference here. 0 minus 0 is 0. I cannot take 3 from 2, so I borrow from my 4. 12 minus 3 is going to be 8. 12, 11, 10, 9. Oh, excuse me, 9. Darn it. 12 minus 3 is going to be 9. And then 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. So they sold 290 more pounds. And remember, LBS is just the abbreviation for pounds. So 290 more pounds. All right, and it is Thursday. And we are taking our checkpoint today. So it's hashtag check yourself. Hashtag check yourself. Have a good day.